Hi, I'm Lynette and this is my nighttime skincare routine. First step I use is the Eve Lom gel cleanser, and I massage it thoroughly all over my face. It removes all of my makeup and I love the way it smells and feels. To remove it, I use a warm cloth all over my face. Helps to open my pores and deep cleanse. Now that I'm in my mid-40s, my skin's main concerns are boosting resilience and strength and radiance. Some people like to call this anti-aging, but for me I prefer to call it preservation. So this is my NuFace gel primer, and I use it with my NuFace device, which I've been using for the last 3 years. I use it 3 times a week and I've noticed incredible changes to my skin's structure and definition. I use it in firm upward motion across my jawline and my cheek muscle because that's where I feel like I need the most help. So the NuFace device uses microcurrent technology to help create definition and contouring along the face. It also helps to boost collagen elasticity in the skin. This peculiar looking bottle delivers oxygen and hyaluronic acid directly into the deep layers of my skin. It needs to be shaken really rigorously and then sprayed to all the areas of your face. Now onto my oil, which I use every night, and it feeds my skin with a big boost of nutrients. I massage the oil into my skin, pressing quite firmly. I start at my jawline and work my way up and across my cheek area. This helps to deliver the oil into my skin and helps my skin feel really peachy and protected. And it feels really great. For my eye cream, I choose 1-1 Skin, which is a cooling cream gel. I start from the inside of my eye and work my way around. With whatever's left on my fingertips, I use it across my eyebrow, pressing in gentle but firm motions upwards. I finish my routine off with my absolute favourite moisturizer, and I never hold back. I apply it generously all over. That's it, I'm done. That's the end of my nighttime routine.